Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you Canva Quiz Maker. So how do you create a quiz in Canva? So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So in this case, creating a quiz in Canva can be really easy, especially with the templates that you could actually use on Canva itself. So first thing that we need to do is we need to go to canva.com, log in into our account, and we now need to search for a template that we want to use as a quiz. Now in this case, in your Canva homepage here, we need to go to the search bar here and just type in the following, which is going to be quiz. Now make sure to select templates here and just press on enter. Once you've done that, you should be able to see different templates that you could actually use. Now, in this case, we'll be using a free template here. Now, to know if a template is actually free is you'll notice that there's no crown at the bottom right on that specific template. As you can see on this specific quiz here, as you can see, it now has that crown. It means pro. So you need to have a subscription in Canva or a premium version of Canva for you to start using it. In this case, we want to use a free one. So for example, maybe I want to use this one. So let's go and choose this one. From here, let's go and click on customize this template, and it should open up our quiz presentation. Now from here, what we need to do next is we just need to basically apply it all into our presentation. Let's go and click on apply all 13 pages here. And from here, we now need to basically start organizing our template here. So in this case, for you to organize it or edit it, you could go ahead and just choose the page or the slide that you want to edit. Like for example, this is going to be the slide one here. Like for example, if you want to add some images on it, you could go ahead and just go to elements here, or even in the upload section, if you upload an image they want to use, you could just basically upload it in here. For example, maybe I want to add a image here for something. So for example, if you want to add this face here into your presentation, as you can see, we now have this face in our presentation. You could go ahead and just add it. In this case, let's go ahead and go to the second tab or the second page here. In this case, you need to edit the direction here if you want to add some specific details for the directions. So this are going to be the basics of this quiz here. So I just want to retain this one. So by the way, if you want to edit the text itself, you can just double click on that text, just basically typing anything that you want to say in here. Now in this case, let's go ahead and go to question 1. Now, in this case, customizing the images or the template here is pretty easy. So for example, if you want to change the question here, so for example, I want to say, what is the powerhouse of the cell? Now from here, if you want to change the answer, so let's go ahead and click on A here. So maybe I want to say this is going to be the nucleus. And from here, you can just basically add anything you want to add here. If you want to change the photo itself that you see at the right side here, just go to your uploads here and choose the photo that you want to use. So for example, I want to use this image here. Let's go ahead and just press and hold on it and just drag it into the image section here. As you can see, we're now able to upload or use a different image for that specific template here. In this case, you could just do this for every tab or every page you see here. And from here on, you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.